Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today I am here with a new topic. So firstly open your booklet, page number 36. For better understanding of this new topic, today the topic is lowest common multiple or LCM of the four numbers by prime factorization method. What is the topic? Lowest common multiple or LCM of four numbers by prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, you should remember the following key points which you have already done in previous lectures. Let's take a quick review for these all. First one is prime numbers. Numbers which have only two different factors, number itself and 1, are called prime numbers. Factors, numbers which can divide a given number leaving no remainder, are called factors of the given number. And prime factor, a factor that is a prime number is called prime factor, or you can also say any of the prime number that can be multiplied to give the original number. These all are the important definitions which you have already learned in your all previous lectures, and these are very helpful for this new topic, LCM or lowest common multiple. As our new topic is today's topic is LCM of four numbers by prime factorization method, so let me explain LCM by this definition. What is LCM? For this LCM, you should know about the prime factorization. Prime factorization is when we break down a number to its prime factors, we call that the prime factorization. This is very easy and you have already learned about this one. What is prime factorization? When we break down a number to its prime factors, we call that the prime factorization. Mean when you will find the factors of any number, those factors should be the prime numbers. Lowest common multiple or LCM. The LCM of the given number is the product of all prime factors including the common factor used only once. LCM means LCM of given number is product. Product mean multiplication. Product mean multiplication. LCM of the given number is the product of prime factors. Product of prime factors including the common factors. Including the common factor used only once. Got it? Means when you will find the prime factors of the given number, after getting prime factor you will find the product of those prime factors including the common factor, but those common factors used only once. We will use the common factors of the given numbers only for the one time, because those common factors may be repeated in all those given four numbers, so you will use those common factors only for one time. To find the LCM by prime factorization, you should first find out the prime factors of the given number. So what is the first step for LCM by prime factorization method? First topmost step is find out prime factors of the given number. Firstly we will find the prime factors, then we will move to the next steps. Now in your booklet, students, I will solve an example for you to understand how to find the LCM of the four numbers. In your booklet, page number 36, an example is already solved for you, already done for you. I will explain the LCM through this example. So let's start this example. I will solve this example for your better understanding. Example is find the LCM of 12, 18, 36 and 72 by prime factorization method. So let's start. Whenever you will find the prime factors by prime factorization method. As you know, you will follow this method. First number is 12. Our first number is 12. To divide this given number 12, as I told you, first find out the prime factors. Here I will find the prime factors of all these numbers, and when you will find the prime factor of this given number, you will use the prime numbers. And when you will use the prime numbers, firstly you will start from the smallest prime number, that is 2. Firstly you will check the divisibility by the smallest prime number. If divisible by the smallest prime number 2, then divide this one. Otherwise, if not divisible, then move to the next prime numbers. Now let's check whether 12 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 12 is divisible by smallest prime number 2. By which numbers? By 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now 6 is our dividend. Again check whether this 6 is divisible by the next smallest prime number 2. Yes, 6 is divisible by 2 again. 2 3s are 6. Now check 3. 3 is not divisible by 2. Yes, 3 is divisible by itself. 3 1s are 3, and we will stop our division when we will get 1 at the end. What is next number? Next number is 18. Our next number is 18. Now check whether 18 is divisible by 2. Yes, 18 is completely divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now check 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by next prime number, that is 3. So 3 3s are 9, and 3 is divisible by itself because 3 itself a prime number. Next number is 36. Next number is 36. Now check whether 36 is divisible by 2. If directly it's difficult for you, you can just check the divisibility test of 2. Check the last digit of the number 6. 6 is divisible by 2. It means 36 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 18 is divisible by 2, 18 is divisible by 3, 18 is divisible by 6. But what is the rule? Firstly check by the smallest prime number 2. If divisible by 2, then you have to divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Got it? 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now last number is 72. Our last number is 72. Now check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Now 2 is the last ones place digit of the 72. 2 is divisible by 2. It means 72 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 because 7 is not completely divisible by 2. So we will use the smaller number. 2 3s are 6. 1 left. This one will be the carry. 2 6 are 12. 36. Yes, divisible by 2 because the ones place digit is 6, and 6 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2 because 3 is not divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 16. 2 8s are 16. 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will move to the next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9, and 3 is again not divisible by smallest prime number 2. So we will divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now this all is about prime factor. This is all about how to find the prime factor. This is all about prime factors of the given numbers. Got it? Okay, after getting the prime factors, first step was find the prime factors. After getting these prime factors, I will write these prime factors over here. Prime factors of 12. prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 12. What are the prime factors of 12? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. These all are the prime factors of 12. Now prime factors of 18. What are the prime factors of 18? 2, 3 and 3. Next is prime factors of 36. What are the prime factors of 36? 2, 2, 3 and 3. Prime factors of 72. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. These all are the prime factors of the given numbers. These all are the prime factors of the given number. Firstly, you will find the prime factor. By this method, you will divide all the given numbers. After division, you will find out the prime factor. Now you can see these all are the prime factors. These divisors are actually the prime factors of the given numbers. Then we will write these prime factors over here. Next step is find the common factors. What are common factors? Those factors which are common in all. Firstly, you will check those factors which are common in all these 4 numbers. You will choose those factors which are common in all these 4. 2 is common in 12, 18, 36 and 72. 2 is common in all 4 numbers. Now again check. 2 is over here, but 2 is not over here. It means 2 is not common in all these 4. 3 is over here. 3 is over here. 3 is over here. 3 is over here. It means 3 is common in all these 4 numbers. Now firstly, you have to check those factors which are common in all 4. Then you will find the prime factors common in 3 numbers. Prime factors common in 3 numbers. Now let's check. 2 is over here. 2 is over here. 2 is over here. Now this 2 is common in all 3 numbers. Let's check 3. 3 is common in 18, 36 and 72. It means 3 is common in all these 3 numbers. Then next is find the prime factors common in 2 numbers. Is there any prime factor which is common in any of 2 numbers? No, there is no more factor which is common in 2 factors. So firstly you will find the factors which are common in 4 numbers. Then you will find the common factors common in 3 numbers. Then you will find the common factors which are common in 2 numbers. Now you can clearly see that one factor is left over here. One factor is left over here. Lastly, when you will find the factors of the numbers, then you will find the common factors of the numbers. Lastly, use the remaining factor. This 2 is the remaining factor. This 2 is the remaining factor. As our topic is LCM, how we will find the LCM after all these steps? LCM, what I told you about the LCM of the given number is actually the product of all prime factors including common factors only once. Common factor will be used only for once. So firstly we will choose those common factors which are common in 4. This 2 was common in 4, we will put it over here. This 3 was common in 4, we will put it for once. We will use the common factors only for once. Multiply by. Now we will check those common factors which are common in 3. 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is common. This 2 was common in 3. Now we will check this 3 is common, this 3 is common, this 3 is common in 3 numbers. So we will put it over here, and at the end the left factor, what was the left remaining factor, that was 2. We will also use that left factor. Clear? So LCM is the product of all the prime factors. LCM is the product of all the prime factors, but we use the common factors only for once. Now we will multiply all these. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So our answer is 72. Got it? Very easy and very simple. I hope you have understand this lecture. This is all about LCM or by prime factorization method for the 4 numbers. Now I hope you can solve more examples by yourself. With the help of this example, you can solve other examples by yourself. Now open your booklet, page number 37 and 38. In your booklet, page number 37 and 38, different examples are given to you. You can practice these examples to find the LCM of the given 4 numbers by yourself. Take the help by this lecture. Watch the video again and again to clear your concept, and spaces are given for these 4 numbers like 25, 18, 36 and 40. First box for 25, second box for 18, third box for 36 and the fourth box for 44. Each number separate boxes are given to you. So solve these 2 pages. Take the help from the video, this lecture. Watch the video. I hope you will do it in a better way. Thank you.